take the court.
Yeah, actually, please note that the judge has abandoned the court. He has abandoned ship, and I, as the sovereign in this room, claim authority. Case dismissed with cause and prejudice. Have a nice day. See you later.
Our story begins on May 11th, 2010, in Guelph, Ontario, a small Canadian city with a population of about 120,000 people. On that day, a provincial offences officer saw a car parked on the front lawn of a house on Dalebrook Place. This car was found to be registered to a man named Wilfred Keith Thompson. Officer Bruce Aubry issued a warning and left it on the car, notifying the owner that it was illegally parked on the front lawn. When he returned 4 months later, he again noticed a vehicle on the front lawn. Aubry said he served a summons to a man who only identified himself as Keith, who he believed was the owner of the home. On September 1st, 2010, the Guelph City prosecutor presented the court with a document from the Land Registry's office which listed Wilfred Keith Thompson as the homeowner. This is where the video that has been viewed online more than 100,000 times picks up.
Wilfred Keith Thompson.
No, that's not what I normally go by now.
Let's get information.
That's a fictitious entity in terms of person legally speaking, sir. I've tried to clarify this a few times, but apparently the level of incompetence.
So your name is Keith Thompson?
My name is Keith, that's all. Nothing more, nothing less.
You don't have a last name, sir?
I have a family name, clan name, but that's irrelevant today.
So you are not Wilfred Keith Thompson?
Okay, one more time on and for the record, I am Keith. Nothing more.
And sit down, sir. I'm looking for a Wilfred Keith Thompson. Please sit down, sir.
Actually,
please sit down, sir.
Sorry. Can't do that. I served into the court this morning.
Sir, I'm looking for a Wilfred Keith Thompson.
Bailiff?
You are not that
This is
person. Sit down, sir.
Bailiff,
Please remove this gentleman from the courtroom.
Thank you. That's the person you're looking for.
Please,
sir, that is the person. I'm trying to remedy things. Touch me and you will be charged. I'm a peace officer. You want to dishonor a court official?
The defendant's on the bailiff's desk.
Sir, are you here on behalf of Mr. Thompson?
I said I was the administrator to that account.
Are you here as agent for
Would
him?
you guys please back up? Thanks.
Are you here as agent for him?
Not as agent, as administrator, much like you are administrator of this court.
Sir, you're either him or you are here as his agent to
As his
speak on his
administrator.
behalf. Are you either of those?
Yeah, it's lawful.
Pardon?
Yeah, he's in common law jurisdiction, which I established as soon as I came in here this morning and reestablished again. The bailiff understood me. This other bailiff, wherever she went, she understood me as well. And this gentleman doesn't like
We're
talking.
going to take a recess. Thank you.
Thank you. All rise.
How long?
How long, sir? I don't have all day, thank you. I have things to do.
We'll take the court.
Yeah, actually,
This court will recess
please note that the judge has abandoned the court. He has abandoned ship, and I, as the sovereign in this room, claim authority. Case dismissed with cause and prejudice. Have a nice day. See you later.
And from that moment on, Keith Thompson, who later adopted the alias persona Kate of Gaia, was an instant online guru, despite the fact that it wasn't actually case dismissed at all. In fact, what you don't see in this video is that when Justice of the Peace Avis Rodney came back from recess, he adjourned Thompson's case until September 30th, 2010. Keith Thompson failed to show in Guelph's Provincial Offences Court on the 30th, but his trial proceeded in his absence. The court found him guilty of 2 offenses and was given 15 days to pay a $260 fine. According to the Guelph Mercury newspaper, Thompson declined comment. Fast forward to 2012. Keith Thompson spent most of the month of March in jail after the bank took possession of his home in February, presumably for non-payment. On March 3rd, Thompson and 2 others were charged when they were found to be on the property unlawfully. Thompson was denied bail due to his anarchistic contempt for the courts. Since this incident in 2012, Wilfred Keith Thompson has had no reported run-ins with the law, and he attributes this to the fact that he is now known as Kate of Gaia, an online conspiracy theorist persona who hosts a daily radio talk show. The persona, known as Kate of Gaia, only fuels online conspiracy theories, using religious rhetoric and faulty legal reasoning. He borrows unproven theories from both the New Age religious cults and the freeman law movement, mixes them up, and regurgitates them with as much class as a redneck in a trailer park.
The legal name is Crown property. That's a fact. What most people don't understand is that all lawyers, bar members, have to cross the Temple Bar in the City of London state, which is a country. That's why they're all foreign agents. And while you're using the legal name, you are also a citizen of the City of London. But you don't have right of copyright use. That's what a bar member gets. They get right of use of copyright. That's why only they can speak in a courtroom and stay in honor doing so, and why they want everyone else to be silent, especially people like me, because they know that if I speak, it is a real living voice in their courtroom.
In his semi-popular writing, Babylon is Fallen, Kate claims that the legal name is, quote, Crown Corporation copyrighted property, and that you are supposedly committing fraud every time you use this name. This argument is the entire basis for his hours upon hours of online rantings, and sadly, it is completely false. In conclusion, one thing I know for certain, you have every legal right to use the legal name, and you are not committing fraud by doing so.